A lot of you have asked about our citrus trees, and we do have citrus trees. We don't really talk about them a lot. There's an orange down there. I believe that's a navel orange. This one is a blood orange. The one smack in the middle there. That one is a mandarin. I bought that many years ago. Boy, look at it. It's just full. We pick them and it just grows and grows and grows. The wood chips, I will admit, helped a lot. This is, I think they call it a lemonade lemon because it's striped. It's got different names, but it's a lemon tree that grows lemons that are striped, which is really kind of pinky on the inside too. And then let me swing around past my hummingbird pole. And those are 3 orange trees that I bought back in like 1989 and planted them there. Of course, before this chain link was here, planted them there because I wanted to be able to smell the blossoms in the kitchen window, and that was the reason I planted them there. And they never really grew. They grew, but they never produced fruit. When Gary brought in all the wood chips, see the wood chips? He's got a really thick amount of wood chips under there. That changed everything, and boy did they grow. We have fruit all year round now on these orange trees. Look at them, and they're just full of blossoms, they're full of oranges, and they're full of hummingbird nests too. That's why, because they got the feeder up there. On the hillside here, we've got these cocktail grapefruit. Oh, Gary loves them, they're so sweet. Then we've got some more type of tangerines, and of course you might be able to see regular grapefruit but down there. Let me see if I can back up. My moringa tree's in my way. And we've got some lemons down there. So we do have citrus trees here, and they really took off. Oh, and there's oranges in there too. Really took off once he laid the wood chips. See the wood chips? Yes, these are called cocktail grapefruit, is what Gary found out. It was a special type of grapefruit because we couldn't figure out exactly what type it was. But there's a cluster of citrus trees right here in this area on this hillside, right next to my garden. Now I'll take you in and show you what we picked this morning. And here is just some of the citrus we picked this morning. We do have grapefruit as well. I didn't pick any of that. In fact, Gary did. He ate some already. There's our blood oranges. There's the mandarins and the kumquats. And then of course we have the lemons. And we have I don't know if this one may or may not be a navel orange. We also have a navel oranges. We got a couple different oranges, but that's them. And I can't say we produce more than we use because we do use a lot of citrus here. But aren't they beautiful? And they are sweet as can be. Let me tell you, and I will tell you this. It took a while for them to start, but once the wood chips were laid down, they took off. It also improved the flavor. The oranges we got before were okay, but now it's amazing. They are sweet like sugar. So the wood chips are so great when it comes to citrus. If you're growing citrus trees and you can get some wood chips for mulch around your trees, get it in there as thick as you can. It doesn't matter if you put 1 foot, 10 inches, whatever you want. The trees just love it. Once we put the wood chips around them, they started producing nonstop. So that is the citrus. And I just wanted to show you. Oh, these are gorgeous. Look how red they are. And we do try to pick them always when they're ripe. Unfortunately, a lot of them you buy, unless you're going to a good grocery store, they pick them and they're not ripe. And citrus that are picked before they're completely ripe are more acidy and acidic than citrus that is naturally sweetened and grown on the tree and left until they're completely ripe. They have less acid. And that was something we found out recently. Gary got to the point where he thought he couldn't eat citrus anymore. He said it was burning his mouth, so he stopped eating oranges. And then our orange trees, and they started producing so many oranges, he would start picking the ripest ones and eating them, and he realized he can eat them all. And that was the issue. The issue was when you pick the oranges before they're ripened, or any citrus, they're more acidic. Once they're ripe, the tree, that's my dogs fighting in the background playing actually. Once the fruit is ripe, it loses a lot of the acidic to it, and it changes, and it's more sweet, more sugar. The acid apparently is trying to protect the fruit from anything happening to it, so nothing will try to attempt in nature to remove it. There's lemons there too. So apparently that is the reason for it. So always try to make sure the fruit you're getting was picked right, not taken off and then let to sit and try to ripen later. A lot of those oranges that were picked unripened, no matter how long they put them in cold storage and then try to ripen them, they never taste the same. They just never taste the same. But these are fantastic. Okay, just wanted to show you some of our oranges and our citrus. Have a great day. And don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye.